Simple outdoor showers that are a must-have for any space. There are many reasons to invest in a simple outdoor shower, including the ability to enjoy more of your time outside or rinsing off after a great sauna session, to name a few. Why should you purchase a simple outdoor shower? There are two types of outdoor showers: wall-mounted and freestanding or pillar showers. Wall-mounted showers are a little more difficult to maintain than a pillar shower. It can be placed anywhere there is a water connection and can be easily moved since it is small. There are a few benefits to purchasing a pillar shower. It's easy to install, assemble, and move. Small footprint and low water consumption. Enhance your sauna experience. Not everyone has access to a plunge pool or a yard full of snow, traditionally used to cool off, so a pillar shower makes the cold water immersion extremely simple to do in a matter of seconds. Shower in nature. A simple outdoor shower is also great for those who live in off-grid cabins in the woods, as this can be your primary shower. It's especially helpful after a long hike when you come home covered in mud. Here are some examples of the most popular pillar showers that have great reviews, are durable in all weather conditions, and provide an overall great outdoor showering experience. Dundalk Sierra Pillar Shower. The Dundalk Sierra Pillar Shower offers any yard a hint of Scandinavian-style sophistication. You only need a garden hose for installation as well. Besides that, this pillar shower can be set up wherever you want in your yard. Rinse Tower Outdoor Shower. What's great about the Rinse Tower Outdoor Shower is that you have options regarding the look of your pillar shower. Essentially, you can have a freestanding shower or screw it into the floor or an adjacent structure like a deck or fence. Dundalk Sunlight Outdoor Shower. The Dundalk Sunlight Outdoor Shower offers some luxury upgrades that the other two showers we discussed don't offer. You can install a shelf on your pillar shower to hold things like shampoos or soaps, and you can also choose to install towel hooks to keep your towels off the ground. Learn more about simple outdoor showers. There are many reasons why to consider a pillar shower. Some of the benefits of purchasing one may include easy assembly and the ability to be moved throughout your backyard. So, whether you're looking to create a luxurious spa-like experience or a simple and functional outdoor shower, there's an option out there for everyone. Let your imagination run wild and choose the shower that fits your style and needs. I hope this video has inspired you to bring the joy of outdoor showering into your life. Stay refreshed, my friends.